In this video, we will introduce Dynamic Partition Manager and its basic concepts, and give a quick tour around the hardware management console for how to manage a DPM-enabled system. A DPM-enabled system can be easily managed. With DPM, I/O adapters are automatically configured and ready to be used. Partitions can be created quickly, and changes to them can be applied dynamically while they are running. A partition is a virtual representation of the hardware resources of a Z-Systems or Linux One system on which DPM is enabled. A partition supports an operating system, middleware, and any applications. To begin, we must log into the HMC. The first time we log in, we see an overlay on the main user interface. The overlay describes a few features, including the navigation area, the welcome page status chart, and the Getting Started task. Click the button OK, got it, to dismiss this and bring the main UI forward. The welcome page shows charts with status for the systems this HMC is managing, the system's partition, and their adapters. Hovering over one of the charts provides more details. Below these are help resources, including the Getting Started task, guides with links to tutorials, videos, and what's new, and more in-depth help under Learn More for APIs and support. Let's take a look at the Getting Started task. The task provides some introductory information about the power of DPM. Clicking Next brings us to the Adapters page. Installed adapters are automatically detected and configured using IBM default settings. More information about this can be found by clicking on the Learn More link. Or the Manage Adapters can be launched by clicking Customize Adapter Settings to change any of the default settings. Clicking Next brings us to the Partitions page. Here you can jump right into creating the first partition by clicking Create Partition. Clicking on the Systems chart brings us to the Systems Management area, where you can see our system. When we select it in the table, we can see all tasks available for that system. By expanding the Daily Task group, we find Start and Stop. By expanding the Configuration Task group, we find Manage Adapters and New Partition. When we select the system in the navigation area, we would see all partitions defined to the system, but of course, currently there are none. If we want to monitor the state and health of the system, we can click on the Monitor tab at the top of the work area. Here we can monitor the system's partition, processors, I/O, power, and environmental such as temperature. The status bar at the bottom of the navigation area will alert us if any system or partition changes to an unacceptable state or has messages that need attention. Returning to the systems management, let's launch task. We can launch system details by clicking on the system name. If we return to the main UI and leave system details running, we can see the task name displayed on the taskbar. Clicking on this link brings the task window forward. Clicking Cancel will close this task, and we can see it disappear from the taskbar. In the next video, we will cover how to create a